We're back! Wow!
28 kilometers
28 pa?
from home.
Alright.
Probably another 25 more.
Pao, I have a question for you.
Yes, sir.
So what's keeping you busy? What's your plan for 2021?
Number one, always stay positive
Yeah.
no matter what happens.
So we'll just like stay positive for 2021. Life goes on, no?
Yes, and then find other outlets to earn, make money.
True, true. That's the priorities.
Online.
Especially if you're provinciano.
Yeah.
No? Like no family here. It's hard.
Since we're here now, it's think ways to, you know.
Wait, crossing. Wait lang. Okay, Sir Miko, si Sir Alterward. They're all there, so wait lang. We'll think of a topic. We'll talk later.
See you guys.
Bye! In Vermosa now. I'm with Paolo.
Morning.
On our way to Tagaytay. So yeah, sit back and relax. See ya. Hey guys, it's Paolo's first time to Tagaytay.
Hi.
What's your expectation, Pao?
Halfway. Bulalo.
Bulalo una.
What juice?
Bulalo and coco juice. That's what inspires us today. See you later. Update guys, we're halfway there. Paolo, how do you feel?
Halfway there.
Halfway there guys.
Entering Amadeo, no? Amadeo, Padong, I think.
Oo, Badeo de.
Alright. You guys. Woo!
Sir Mick, part 2. Kamusta?
Naman bro, mas okay yung kalsada namin.
Mas okay dito, no? Ma'am Froy, kamusta? Sir Alterward, kamusta?
Yan lang.
Pagod na, di pa?
Yan lang, sakto.
Wow.
So, stomach. Pit stop. Buko juice, pit stop.
Pit stop, relax ka dali. Ma'am Froy, oh, pound bud.
Yes. Yeah, mga buko. Buko. Outerward.
Relax sa.
Behind do that all the buko tree, coconut trees,
Ano
buko
siya?
trees.
Simple pleasures in life. I mean, this is what makes life really, worthwhile. Ikaw na ba?
Worthwhile, oh? No.
Simple pleasures of life ba?
So, asa na tayo ron ba? We are 47 kilometers.
Gamay na lang, 15 siguro. Anyway, palit mo buko dire, labay mo dire. Asan ni David?
Minutes.
Yan, kuya. Magkano buko nyo kuya? Tsaka bakit special yung buko nyo?
Pinalamig na panahon.
Malamig siya kahit ano, no?
Masarap, tsaka fresh na fresh.
Yan, 20 lang, daan kayo dito.
Pagdating sa Manila,
Pagdating sa Manila. Okay. Okay lang, like, just like anything, no? Kanang practice lang. Yeah. Although kapoy gid siya.
Kaya.
Kaya. Di siya ingon nga dili kaya. Subtle naman siya. So guys, those who plan to try mountain biking, this route via Amadeo to Tagaytay is a good idea. It's a friendly route. I would say it's not even advanced. I would say it's medium. No? The level. Ayun.
Maybe a couple of 50.
Is
Kilometer
medium a level, Pao? Or is that a size? How do you describe it? Difficulty level? Average pala. Average.
Average.
No, mo naman correct pa sa the viewers na
For me, medium.
Anyway,
Or small. Yun sa mga good.
small, medium. Anyway,
Sa practice, gamay.
practice lang.
Kaya.
We made it, guys! Tagaytay! Paulo!
Diyos ko Lord.
Diyos ko Lord! Tumigo! We made it to Tagaytay, guys. Second time here. Hi ate! Kamusta?
34.9.
Malamig. Guys, we're full. We're going home. And Pao, Sir Miko,
Another 50k.
see you after 50k. Me and Paolo are here sa which part? Nahulog ang kwarta. Thank you! Guys, konting tiis na lang. Pagod na, pagod.
20k left.
Sarap maligo, sarap kumain, sarap umiga.
Sarap pumiga. Sarap maligo.
Ito.
One day. Beer.
Beer na yun.
One day.
One day though. Do this, Pao. Okay guys, we're ending the day. Paolo, how's your experience, Pao?
First time.
First time.
Ulit. Pagod. Pero masaya.
Enjoy. Pagod pero enjoy, and we try to challenge ourselves every time. Tama, Ma'am Proy?
Yes.
Yun. So thanks for tuning in, guys. See you next time. Bye! Oh, bye! Bye, guys!
Shout out to Gary.
Guys, we forgot to ask the question what our plan is for 2021. So let's start with Paolo. What's your plan, Pao? 2021.
An existing business, make it maybe expand.
Yeah, expand the business.
And find more ways.
Find more ways to have income, no? Because the situation right now isn't really improving that much.
So find other ways. It's all, you can all search in the internet, YouTube, nakatanan diha.
Yeah, diskarte lang.
Yeah.
Guys, life is hard, but we'll still try to find other solutions to this. And yeah, that's it. That's how we're doing right now.
Positivity.
Sige. We had a long day. Grabe. 8 hours of riding.
5 a.m.
Since 5 a.m. Bye guys.
Bye-bye.